Ever heard the saying, equipment doesn't make mistakes, but poorly trained people do? This is a hard truth in the food industry. We often see food safety training as just a box to check, something we do simply for compliance. But this approach is a recipe for disaster. When training is only about meeting a requirement, it fails to address the most critical element, the human factor. The problem starts when employees don't understand the why behind the rules. They're told to wash their hands for 20 seconds, but do they truly grasp the devastating impact a single contaminated hand can have on public health? They're told to monitor temperatures, but do they know the specific pathogens that thrive in the danger zone and the illnesses they cause? When the why is missing, rules become just another annoying task to get through. Leadership plays a huge role here too. If managers and supervisors don't consistently follow the same food safety protocols they expect from their team, it sends a powerful message. These rules aren't that important. A manager walking through a production area without a hairnet, or a chef tasting food with their fingers, completely undermines any training program, no matter how well designed it is. This creates a culture of complacency, not compliance. Poor communication also breaks the chain of safety. Are employees encouraged to speak up if they see a problem? Is there a clear, no-blame system for reporting near misses or potential hazards? If workers fear getting in trouble for pointing out a colleague's mistake or a flaw in the process, they'll stay silent. And silence is where risks multiply. Let's imagine an operator who's supposed to reject a batch of ingredients because it's slightly outside the temperature spec. But they're under pressure to meet production targets, and they think, it's only off by a couple of degrees, what's the big deal? They don't fully understand the risk of bacterial growth, so they let it slide. This single decision, born from a lack of understanding and a poor safety culture, could lead to a widespread foodborne illness outbreak, a massive recall, and irreparable damage to the brand's reputation. This is why building a true food safety culture is so vital. It's not about having a thick binder of procedures. It's about creating an environment where every single person, from the CEO to the newest hire on the line, understands their personal responsibility in keeping food safe. It's about constant reinforcement, open communication, and leadership that walks the talk. True food safety doesn't live in a manual. It lives in the shared values and daily behaviors of your people. It's about transforming have to into want to, because everyone understands what's at stake. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your teams. Let's build a stronger food safety culture together.